Replacing the key fob battery in your 2022-2023 Hyundai Tucson is straightforward. First, ensure you have a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or key fob pry tool. Turn off the vehicle and unlock the key fob before starting. Locate the small gap on the key fob's seam, usually near the key ring. Gently insert the screwdriver into the gap and pry apart the two halves, being careful not to use excessive force to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery in a spring-loaded holder. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side typically faces up. Pop out the old battery, being mindful of static electricity. Ground yourself by touching a metal surface before handling the new battery to prevent damage to the fob's electronics. If the fob has a rubber gasket, remember its placement for reinstallation to maintain water resistance. With the fob open and the old battery removed, install the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing the correct direction. Double-check the polarity to avoid malfunctions. If your key fob has a rubber gasket, carefully place it back in its original position to maintain waterproofing. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are securely closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle to confirm that the doors lock, unlock, and the remote start functions work correctly. If the fob has proximity features, a fresh battery ensures consistent signal strength, avoiding signal drops. Remember, improper installation or using the wrong battery can void warranties or require reprogramming at a dealership. So take your time and follow these steps carefully.